To turn on AOD auto brightness in the theater mode routine in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap the theater mode routine, scroll down the screen, tap always on display, and then tap the gray on option next to auto brightness to turn on this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, tap down button to save the change. By doing this, now when the theater mode routine is active, your phone will set the AOD brightness to auto, which means it will be adjust automatically based on your surrounding. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.